If you're over 60, I want you to picture this. You're reaching down to tie your shoes, or maybe you're getting up from your favorite recliner after a movie. But there's a little hesitation, a quiet thought in the back of your mind wondering, are my legs going to be as steady as I want them to be? You're not alone. For so many of us, this gradual weakening of the legs feels like a slow theft of our freedom and independence. It's a worry that can grow over time, making you second-guess a walk in the park or a trip to the grocery store. Now, this isn't just in your head. It has a name: sarcopenia. It's simply the natural, age-related loss of muscle, and it can speed up after 60. It's the reason tasks that were once easy now take a little more effort. We all know the cornerstones of staying strong are moving our bodies and eating well. But what if I told you there was a simple, supportive ritual you could add to your day to make those efforts count for even more? A warm, comforting drink before bed that works with your body's natural repair cycle while you sleep. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 specific science-supported ingredients. This isn't a magic potion, but a strategy to support muscle maintenance, help with that joint stiffness, and promote the deep, restorative sleep your body needs to repair itself. This is about giving your body the right tools at the right time so you can wake up feeling more resilient and ready to face the day with confidence. 1. The foundation of strength: collagen peptides. Let's start with the absolute foundation of this drink: collagen peptides. When you think of collagen, you might think of skin and hair, and you're right. But it's also a major building block of your muscles, tendons, and ligaments, the very tissues that give your legs their power. As we age, our body's natural collagen production slows down. This is one of the key reasons our muscles can take longer to recover. But here's the truth most people don't realize. While some might call collagen a miracle, the real, robust science shows its greatest benefits happen when it's combined with physical activity. For example, a significant study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that older men with sarcopenia who combined resistance training with collagen peptide supplements saw much better improvements in muscle mass and strength compared to those who only did the exercise. The collagen seemed to supercharge the positive effects of the movement. Think of it this way. If exercise is the signal that tells your muscles to get stronger, collagen peptides provide the essential raw materials to help get the job done. So the first ingredient is 1 scoop, about 15 grams, of high-quality, hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Hydrolyzed just means it's been broken down into smaller particles that are easier for your body to absorb. It dissolves right into warm water and has no taste, making it the perfect, simple base for our drink. This isn't about replacing your daily walk. It's about making it count for more.
2. The activator, a splash of vitamin C. Now, adding collagen is a great first step, but without this next ingredient, you might be shortchanging your efforts. The second crucial component is vitamin C. Here's why. Think of vitamin C as the foreman on your body's construction site. The collagen peptides are the bricks, but vitamin C is what helps your body put those bricks together to build strong tissues. Your body literally cannot synthesize collagen effectively without enough vitamin C. It's an essential partner in the process. You could be taking the best collagen in the world, but if you're low on vitamin C, your body's ability to use it is held back. And you don't need a huge amount. This is about teamwork and synergy. The goal is simply to make sure your body has what it needs right when it needs it. So how do you add it? It's simple. You could add a small splash of unsweetened tart cherry juice, or just squeeze in the juice of a quarter of a lemon. This ensures that every bit of collagen you take can be put to its best possible use. 3. The muscle relaxer, a pinch of magnesium. Our third ingredient tackles a problem that sabotages leg health for so many of us over 60: poor sleep and those awful nighttime leg cramps. That ingredient is magnesium. Magnesium is a master mineral involved in hundreds of reactions in your body, many of which are critical for muscle health and relaxation. When you're low on magnesium, your muscles can struggle to relax, leading to those painful, sleep-wrecking cramps. Now, the research on magnesium for leg cramps in older adults has shown mixed results. Some studies don't find a major benefit, while others suggest it can help, especially for people who are actually deficient. However, what is undisputed is magnesium's role in promoting restful sleep. It helps calm the nervous system and supports the production of melatonin, the hormone that governs your sleep cycles. And quality sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity for muscle repair. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for rebuilding your leg muscles. If cramps or restlessness are waking you up, you're missing this critical repair window. By adding a small amount of magnesium, you're doing two things. First, you're ensuring your body has what it needs for proper muscle function, which may help with cramps if you're low in it. Second, you're supporting the deep, uninterrupted sleep that is the foundation of all physical recovery. For our drink, a small pinch of magnesium glycinate powder is a great choice, as it's known for being gentle on the stomach and easily absorbed. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to give it a like. It helps more people discover these tips. And if you're ready to truly supercharge your health journey, think of subscribing to Nitro Wellness as the next essential ingredient. Click that subscribe button to join our community, where we're all about giving you that extra boost to live your most vital life. Now, let us know in the comments, what do you do to keep your legs strong? I love hearing your stories.
4. The Sleep Enhancer. A touch of glycine. Our fourth ingredient is an amino acid that works beautifully with magnesium to take your sleep and recovery to the next level. That ingredient is glycine. You're already getting some glycine from the collagen, but research suggests that adding a little extra before bed can have some wonderful effects on your sleep quality. Here's how it works. Studies have shown that taking a few grams of glycine before bed can help you fall asleep faster and reach deep sleep more quickly. It does this partly by helping to lower your core body temperature, which is a natural signal for your body to rest. Participants in these studies often report waking up feeling more refreshed and less tired during the day. But glycine is also a fundamental building block for your body's tissues. So, while it's helping you get more restorative sleep, it's also providing more of the raw materials needed for that overnight repair process. Think of it as supercharging your sleep, making every hour of rest more productive. To add this, you can stir a small teaspoon of glycine powder into your warm drink. It's a simple step that powerfully supports the goal of making your sleep a time of active recovery for your legs. 5. The Functional Fuel. A dash of potassium. The fifth and final ingredient is a mineral that's absolutely essential for muscle function, but is often overlooked: potassium. Every single muscle contraction in your body, from a blink of an eye to walking up a flight of stairs, depends on potassium. It works with other electrolytes to send the electrical signals that tell your muscles to work. When potassium levels are low, this communication can falter, leading to muscle weakness, fatigue, and even cramps. While severe deficiency is rare, many older adults might not get the optimal amount through diet alone, which can impact muscle performance. Research has even shown that higher dietary potassium intake is associated with better muscle mass in older adults. This isn't about taking a huge dose. It's about consistently giving your body what it needs. A simple whole food source is best. You could blend half a small banana into your warm drink, making it creamy and naturally sweet. If you prefer, just eating half a banana alongside your drink works perfectly. But a word of caution: for anyone with kidney issues, it's very important to speak with your doctor before increasing potassium, as too much can be a problem. For most people, a little extra from a food source is a great way to ensure your muscles have the fuel they need.
How to put it all together. So there you have it, the 5 core ingredients. Collagen for the framework, vitamin C as the activator, magnesium for relaxation, glycine to deepen sleep, and potassium for muscle function. But we can also add a bonus booster, a sprinkle of turmeric and a pinch of ginger. These spices are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. While a little inflammation is normal, Chronic inflammation can make joints feel stiff and sore. Adding a quarter teaspoon of turmeric and a little ginger can help soothe your system. Putting it together is simple. Warm 1 cup of water or an unsweetened milk alternative. Stir in 1 scoop of collagen peptides, a pinch of magnesium powder, a teaspoon of glycine, and your turmeric and ginger. Finish it with a squeeze of lemon juice. Sip it slowly about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Remember, this drink is a tool. It works best as part of a team, and the other team members are gentle movement and a balanced diet. Feeling your legs lose their strength can be disheartening, but you have the power to work with your body, not against it. You can give it the tools it needs to fight back. This simple, warm bedtime drink isn't a quick fix, but a nightly ritual of nourishment. It's an act of telling your body, I'm giving you what you need to repair tonight, so we can be stronger tomorrow. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, climbing stairs with more confidence, and looking forward to a long walk without worry. This isn't about turning back the clock. It's about winding it better. It's about taking smart, proactive steps to maintain your independence and live a full, active life. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes, especially if you have chronic conditions or are taking medication. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these ingredients surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else watching today. And before you go, if you believe that aging is about gaining wisdom and putting it into action, then our Nitro Wellness community is for you. Subscribing is your first step towards a full tank of wellness knowledge. Hit that button and join us. Stay sharp, stay safe, and stay vital. Because aging isn't about decline, it's about wisdom in action.